Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. A rectangle has perimeter 20 meters. Your job is to write the area as a function of one side length x, and then determine which x values are actually possible. For a rectangle, the perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. We're told the perimeter is 20 meters, so we set the formula equal to 20. Notice both side lengths affect the perimeter together. Divide both sides by 2 to simplify the relationship. Now solve for y in terms of x. This will let us express everything using just one variable. So, if the bottom side is x, the other side must be 10 minus x to keep the perimeter at 20. The area of a rectangle is length times width. Substitute y equals 10 minus x. Now the area depends only on x. This is the key move, turning a two-variable formula into a one-variable function. We can keep it factored, which is often useful, or expand it to see it's a quadratic function. The negative x squared tells us the area will eventually decrease as x gets closer to 10. Now we decide which x values make sense for a real rectangle. Both side lengths must be greater than 0. Since y is equal to 10 minus x, it stays positive only when x is less than 10. Combine the conditions. X must be bigger than 0, but smaller than 10. The open circles mean the endpoints are excluded. You can't have a side length of 0, and you can't have x equals 10, because then the other side would be 0. Here's what the area function looks like: an upside-down parabola on the interval where the rectangle actually exists. Visually, the area is small near the ends and largest in the middle. Balanced side lengths give bigger area. We used the fixed perimeter to express one side in terms of the other. Substituting into a equals xy gives the area as a one-variable function. The domain comes from requiring both side lengths to be positive. Keep going. Next up is another quick challenge where the same ideas unlock an even cooler result.